honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, y'all know that chicken I had cut up and seasoned yesterday, and I made that stir fry concoction. Okay, I had a lot of chicken left over, so I just breaded some in my breader shaker bowl, and it's cooking now. And I use some house archery breading. So let me show you how this looks in the breader bowl. I'll leave a link for this bowl. This is where the breaded chicken looks. It has a little cage strainer thing in here, and the breading falls to the bottom. You shake it up, and your chicken is evenly coated. So I got some chicken cooking now, like chicken nuggets. Let me show y'all. Okay, this is finished cooking. Put them in here. Put some fries in here. They look like shrimp. These in the oven. I'm also going to fix some of these French fries. Restaurant style seasoned French fried potatoes. I bought these from Jewel food stores. Okay, I'll be back. I'm just gonna spray olive oil. Okay, y'all. The fries are done. And the chicken nuggets are done. Okay, we'll go feed a hungry grown daughter up in there. Y'all want to see me eat one? They're hot. Chicken nugget. Let me dip this in some hot sauce and ketchup. Okay. A little fry. Woo, the fry's too hot. I'll be back. I almost forgot to sign off. Okay, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Bon appetit. Let me see if this cooled off some. Crispy, soft fry. Chicken nugget. Okay, bye.